In this video, I'm going to show you how you can search cryptocurrency volumes by country. So without further ado, because you always want to know which country is actually, where is the volume coming through, who are the big players, where you can actually check out a lot of data. So you can actually make an educated decision if you're wanting to actually get into Bitcoin or into mining, into trading. You want to see what's happening in the market at a glance, all the data historically, so you can actually move forward and make your a decision of where you want to actually move forward in your own cryptocurrency journey. So what I found is, because I felt the same way, because when you first come into Bitcoin, you're a little bit lost. There's so much out there, so much confusion, so many scams, and so you better over the time I've sort of learnt through other people and getting access to other mentors is to actually go by the data, check out the data, what is the actual trends actually happening and coming up around the corner, and you need this all documented so you can actually verify a lot of the stuff that actually is happening, because there's a lot of FOMO out there, fear of missing out. There's a lot of FUD out there, fear, uncertainty and doubt, in terms of people trying to put doubt in your mind about where the future of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is going. So if you want to check out this particular website, which is CoinDance, coin.dance, I'll put the link in the description. At the moment I'm just looking at the stats. So as you can see here, you can check out the volume, vanity addresses, poker service, nodes, politics and opinion, blocks, which is new, and some resources here as well. So this is like a overall site that you can actually check what's going on. You can see the historical price at the moment. Today it's minus 40, so this gives you a breakdown over the last 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, as you can see. The last 7 years, so it was actually over 196,420% growth over the last 7 years. I don't think there's any other platform or income vehicle has had that much growth over the last 7 years, whether it's mutual funds, property. Nothing is like that. It's going to actually have that much growth. But like you say, it's actually really leveling out at the moment. So it's actually ready to actually take a next. Historically, by the looks of what you see by the data here, it will actually take off again. When? Nobody really knows, but it's actually taking off, primed to take off for the next bull run. And as you can see, Bitcoin bull, it's going to the next halving is in 2020, because as a miner you actually get 12.5 Bitcoin once you solve that cryptographic puzzle. If you're not too sure about Bitcoin mining, we do have a group, a free public group that gives you more information on Facebook. There will be a link down in the description about that as well. You can join as a public group. You can check out more information on Bitcoin mining and the blockchain. So it's just been last updated just now. So you can see the Bitcoin searches. So this is by engagement, per age, per gender, who's searching Bitcoin and on typical devices. Is it a mobile thing? Still Chrome. There's a heavy user base on using Chrome, and desktop users still. Market cap, historical. So it shows you what's happening. Market cap today. Cryptocurrency historically. So this shows you so much data that you can actually make a decision what's happening in the market, especially with other coins. Do the percentages for today, last 24 hours, no change, 0.1%. So really I just look, personally I only look at the top 10, top 20 at the most in terms of altcoins, because the rest of them above the ones outside the 20, I reckon they're just speculation. You know, they're just speculating that their coin is going to be X amount of dollars. But the top 20, solid. I mean, and the top 10, definitely just keep eye on them because they're going to be in the top 10 for a while. These are pretty much the ones to focus on. Because you remember, Bitcoin is, you know, it's going to be the next gold because it's going to be a store of value because of the supply and demand. There's going to be the limited supply of Bitcoin, but there's going to be such a high demand for it. Remember, there's only going to be 21 Bitcoins actually, you know, created into the market. So, and like you said, and as you saw in the halving here, yeah, in 2020, see, 2020 they'll be halved again, so it'll be harder and more difficult. You have a degree of difficulty to actually mine more Bitcoin. So the supply and demand just so much outweighs itself. The supply is here and the demand will grow and grow and grow and grow. So the price of Bitcoin will actually, you know, exceed it to an outrageous level. So if you have Bitcoin, you're in a more powerful positioning. So it's all about positioning. So if you want to check out the site, you go to coin.dance. Just check out the home page here. So as you can see, you come to this coin.dance. You can check out all these resources for the decentralized world in terms of cryptocurrency. So this is Daniel Gabriel from cryptodaniel.com. Hopefully this information helps you out if you're looking to actually see what's happening in the cryptocurrency world. You can actually switch to Bitcoin Cash as well. To check out other statistics and so forth as well. So you can switch back to Bitcoin. So leaving you on that note, this is Daniel signing off. Please subscribe to the channel, ring the ding bell, notification bell, tap that bell for more videos and updates and so forth. So this is Daniel switching out. Catch you guys later.